Okay, here's before LED, after. Hi guys, in today's video we're changing out the bulbs on the ACTY for LEDs. I changed out the headlights among a few other lights, as well as the dome in here. It's really dim, so we're hoping to fix that. I got all of these lights on Amazon. Links will be in the description below. The first thing I do before I start work on the truck is we gotta move it into the shade. Goodness gracious. All right. Nice. Okay, so that's what you'll need to disassemble the headlight. Screwdriver, ratchet. Here's the 10s. There's the screws. So, I think we'll be replacing this bulb here. The way you get this out is just twist. Here it is. So we'll replace this one. And then the main headlight here. So we'll just pull this bulb out. And we'll replace this bulb with an LED. So this guy will just go back in, twist, voila. And we just have to reconnect this guy here. So we've reconnected it. Now it's onto the headlight. Also, it's really dirty in there. I'm gonna wipe that out. Also, I made a very rudimentary stand so that my headlights could have a seat until I disconnect them. So, we need to remove this gasket. Quite dirty as well. Alright. Stinks in there. Okay, so there we go. Okay, and this guy just comes out. It's just gonna drop in, push down, and back in the lip. Back through the 3 prongs. Just gonna push this from the inside so that catches in there, so we get a nice seal. Okay, back over this. I'm also going to be restoring the headlights, so look for that next video. So hopefully we clean these up, buff them up, and they'll be looking real nice. Both the headlights are in. I'm going to switch out the dome light. Okay, so for the dome light, I'm just going to take a flathead, put it in this crack here, And then the cover should just pop out. Oh, Jesus. Alright, it's off. Okay. Push. And it pops right out. And we got our replacement bulbs. So we just put this guy up. Okay. We'll just pop our cover back on. Bam! So, for the taillights, since I don't have any colored bulbs at the moment, don't have red or amber, I'll just replace this clear one back here and then decide if I want to switch out those two in the future. And then now we just pop this guy out. Yep. Come on, baby. Come on, come on, come on. Okay, there we go. And we'll just be replacing this clear one, or the white one, right there. Okay, they're looking good. But now we definitely need to do a restoration on the headlights, and I think they'll be looking real sharp. So they're pretty loud. I don't know if that's normal, but if anyone knows, leave a comment below. Okay, so in total, upgrading to LEDs cost around 65 bucks. I didn't replace every single bulb. I think we replaced 2, 4, 5, 6, 7 bulbs. So not bad. I think it'll be worth it, so you can see for yourself that it does make a difference. That is insane how bright that is. Holy shit, it lights up the entire parking lot. Nice. But we do need to restore the headlights, so look for that next video. And if you guys enjoyed this one, thanks so much, and I'll see you in the next one.